Into the second quarter in Game 1 for the championship of the Governor's Cup for 1998. Formula Shell versus Mobiline. Ito si John Best sa loob. Nilabas kay Vic Pablo. Going baseline. Layup by Vic Pablo. Napalakas. Mills with the outlet to McClary. McClary sumugod. Tuloy-tuloy. Yes!
And it's a nice run here by the Mobiline Footballs. They've cut down that 12-point lead to only 6 right now. Half a minute got by dito sa ating second quarter of play.
Uusog ito sa Team McClary sa pag-umpisa ng laro. He has 9 points already compared to the 3 so far scored by his partner Silas Mills.
Illegal defense kontra sa Mobiline, so that's just going to be a warning here. That's the first offense of that nature called against their team.
Samantala mga kaibigan, kung hindi po ninyo inabot, alam naman natin, matraffic ngayon. Baka hindi po kayo mabot sa inyong mga tahanan para makita yung ating fight for third, which is a best of 3 mga kaibigan between Pure Foods and San Miguel. Nagwagi po rin ng Pure Foods, 94-88. Another closely fought game. Ayan po ang ating best player dun sa larong yun, Bob Pacat. Pablo gets momentarily open. Short on the try. Alvin Teng para sa rebound, para sa Mobiline.
Well, 2 straight misses by Pablo, so he must need a breather right now, no?
Oh, Silas Mills. Jose Francisco in the game for the first time, together with Jerry Esplano on the other side. Napitawan na bola, natapik John Best. Lead pass to Donald Williams. Bounce pass to Jerry Esplano. Kinaliwa pa ni Jerry. Importante yung gano'n din na kaya mong lumayap ng kaliwa. Sa mga sitwasyon na ganyan, you have to take off on the right foot. Kailangan marunong kang lumayap ng kaliwa.
Veterano ito si Jerry Esplana. He's also ambidextrous as far as kung layup shots. Walang problema yan. Magaling talaga sa ganyan yan.
28-20. Walo na naman ang abante ng Formula Shell over Mobiline of San Francisco. Bentagan ng bola. Nakatingin kay Team McClary. Benji Paras trying to thwart that pass. McClary trying to get around Donald Williams. He is inside. Short jumper. Hindi pumasok na ni Jerry Esplano. Rebound para sa Formula Shell. Set up ito ni Jerry Esplana. Esplana against Solis. Labas kay Williams. John Best nag-aabang. 3-point shot by John Best.
Kaya naman ang pintahin itong dalawang imports ng Formula Shell. Parehong may 3-point shooting ito, no?
And John Best with 8 points so far. At 11 puntos na naman ang abante ng Formula Shell over Mobiline, 31-20. Silas Mills. Medyo parang decent ngayon sa Silas Mills. Hindi pa masyadong kumakana para sa Mobiline as San Francisco misses from 3-point country. Brother Al Solis missing that one.
And now opportunity for Jackson to come back. Of course, si Mrs. Para, si Jackie Forster. Nakita mo naman, so, number 14 ang kanyang pintura sa kanyang mukha.
Mukhang may mga misis ng mga ng mga player ng Formula Shell pinintura na nila sa kanilang mga mukha yung mga numero ng uniforme ng kanilang mga asawa para walang magkamali na kung sino asawa nila.
Okay. Ayos pa. Naniniwala naman ako sa iyo.
Salamat. Jerry Esplana. Benji Paraz gets to the loose ball. Nilabas kay Donald Williams. Williams to bigata na naman ang 3!
Mabigat na ng tumitera yung Shell dito. Nakakakuha sila ng offensive rebound. Tapos kakanain ka ng 3. Biglang 14 ang lamang dito on an 8-0 run. Bumalik na naman sa 14 ngayon. That's the biggest lead of the ballgame.
Silas Mills inside against John Best. He's tied up. Pinilit na yun. And Jackson with the rebound. And there's a Donald Williams. He sees a lot of yellow shirts there. Benji Paras attacks. Wala. John Best with a power rebound. Pero merong foul na tatawagin on Team McClary. That will be the first personal on Artemis McClary.
8 minutes and 26 seconds then. After a nice run by Mobiline, sumagot na naman yung Shell ng Ratchada rito. And they still have possession with a 14-point lead.
At ito si Donald Williams, Dr. J, meron ng 15 puntos dito po sa larong ito, including 3 triples. Samantala, merong tinawag na 30-second timeout itong si Coach Eric Altamirano. Subukan natin mapakinggan kung ano mga instructions ni Coach Eric.
We do it on defense. Remember, we do it on defense. That will create shot for us. And then on offense, be patient. Hold your shot. Don't hurry your shot. Come on. Stay with it. Come on. Go.
Those little reminders go a long way. Pagka ganitong medyo napag-iiwanan ng isang koponan, kailangan meron magpaalala na huwag masyado magmamadali sa opensa. Kailangan ayusin nila yung kanilang depensa. Dahil pinractice na nila lahat yan, Dr. J, di ba?
Correct. And you know, when the momentum is on the other side, in any sport, you try to slow it down.
Yes, oo.
Kung sasabayan mo na sasabayan yan, may iwanan ka na may iwan.
Oo, manggigigil ka lang. Wala mangyayari sa'yo. Ito si Jerry Esplana. Nice handoff to Benji Perez. Nakita niya, medyo delikading. Nakita rin niya si Benji Perez on the wings. And a nice ditch off to give Formula Shaw the biggest lead in this game, a 16-pointer in the early goings of the second quarter.
Last touch called against one of the green shirts ang Formula Shell. 14 seconds on the shot clock para sa Mobiline. 8:02 left in this second quarter.
Para alam ni Coach Eric Altamirano, it's not yet time to push the panic button. Masyado pa tayo maaga. Pero kailangan,
traveling.
Traveling yun. He was hoping for a foul to be called, but you don't anticipate calls.
That's right. And you know, during the championship series, time and time again, nag-PBA tayo, championship series, there is a little bit more flexibility on the body contact. Pag hands, iba yun, tatawagan ng referee. Pero pag body-body lang, talagang magbabanggaan mo yun. So you got to hold your ground.
7 minutes and 51 seconds remaining in the second period. 16 puntos ang abante ng Formula Shell and still looking good. Jerry Esplana directing operations para sa Formula Shell. Sinusundan ni Al Solis. He flips. Masyado malakas. Silas Mills para sa rebound and he brings it up para sa Mobiline Phone Pals. Silas Mills runs into the defense. Nakita sa San Francisco. Hinita nila na pumutok yung kanila mga outside shots and Francisco obliges.
Ang mali naman ni Williams doon na doon siya, he should have at least challenged. He just watched that guy take the 3-point shot.
At tinuruan siya ng leksyon ni Boyet. Samantala si John Best pilit na gumagante. Wala Tim McLaren para sa rebound from Mobiline. 13 puntos po ang abante ng Formula Shell at 36-23. McLaren dribbling off his foot. Nakuha ni Francisco, pinalik kay McLaren up against a double team. Nilabas kay Al Solis, titikada ng 3. Medyo malakas and Benji Perez dominating the board there.
You saw the difference. When John Best went to hit, he put up his hands. Parang he was rushing at him. Diba? Hindi na pinabayaan tumira na lang.
Magandang posto naman ni John Best, Dr. J. Nakakuha ng pasa kay Jerry Esplana na sakling-sakling naman. At balik na naman sa 15 puntos ngayon ang abante dito ng Formula Shell at 38-23. Meron pa tayong 6 minutes and 38 seconds remaining. Nakita niyo naman yung mga 3-point shooting ng Formula Shell. Silas Mills.
Silas Mills medyo nagagalit ng konti, humihingi ng konting saklolo sa bench. Parang meron yata sa isang player na hindi gustong kasama sa loob ng court. Parang gusto niya paalisin. Napansin natin na sinisigaw niya sa bench yun.
Ayun, si Eric Reyes, dinispat siya na ni Coach Eric Altamirano. Malalaman natin kung sino yung tinutukoy ni Dr. J. Samantala, Benji Perez off the glass. Arito ngayon si Tim McLaren. Up against Chris. Illegal defense yun. Benji Perez called for the illegal D. At wala pa technical dahil warning lamang yan. 5 minutes and 59 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Ito yung mga suki na nating na manonood dito na Formula Shell supporters. Ganda ng mga poster na ginagawa nila, Dr. J.
Alam mo talagang very artistic, very imaginative, creative. You can use all the very nice adjectives in English at Tagalog vocabulary na ginagawa ng ating mga fans dito.
Samantala, lamang na 15 ang Formula Shell. McLaren missing underneath. At ito ngayon si Donald Williams. Jackson against Eric Reyes. McLaren plucks the rebound out of midair.
When he was not free that time, Jackson usually throws that kind of a shot up. No, he doesn't take that kind of a shot.
Eric Reyes naman at low post na kumahog at hindi nasahan ng pasa galing kay Silas Mills.
Well, when you cut to the basket, you better expect a pass from Silas Mills. I think in that case, he was looking at the basket before he caught the ball. Kaya na medyo dumidiscarte na what to do. No?
Back, Jerry Esplana. Rumaragasa. Dinabas kay Jackson from Paras. Balik ulit kay Benji against Eric Reyes. As a tap by Silas Mills. Tinapik naman papunta kay John Best ni Paras. Chris
Yeah.
Jackson underneath. Yan
Yan ang sinasabi ni Jackson.
Oo, dito.
Medyo maganda ang very, very good ang player movement, no, ng Formula Shell.
Oo.
17-point lead with 5 minutes left in the second quarter. It's the biggest lead of the ball game for the Shell team.
At itong Mobiline, talagang hindi malaman kung ano gagawin. Ayun, sabi ni Al Solis, ito gagawin ko. PLDT long distance shot from Al Solis.
Better movement that time because Solis spotted way out from the strong side area of the offensive play.
Oo. Samantala, Jerry Esplana signaling the play para sa Formula Shell. Oy, meron nakita sa referee Ernie De Leon
Holding the shirt. Sabi sa'yo, pag umawa ka, tatawagan ka ng foul. Yung pagkaan ng katawan, medyo ano pa yun, di ba?
Samantala, Rhea Tanuac is on standby to report on Mobiline. Rhea, please.
Well, Ed, dito sa panig ng Mobiline, ang mga players ay super nahirapan talaga. So, Coach Eric Altamirano got mad at them. And minsan-minsan walang makita yan na si Eric magalit. He told his players they have to be more aggressive on offense. Take 5% with shots. And most of all, dapat hindi sila magiging intimidated sa lamang ng Shell. Let's see what they can do, Ed.
Thank you, Rhea. 2 seconds on the shot clock as Williams misses the try. Tignan natin itong opensa ng Mobiline. Ito, klase ng opensa na hinihingi ni Coach Eric Altamirano and he gives it. Yan si Silas Mills, makakita ng Paul na ganyan hindi niya bibigyan ng malam yung layup yan Talagang exclamation point.
Yeah, let's dunk it.
Oo. And the lead of Formula Shell is down to 12, down from 17. Esplana, however, is open.
He heard you with that jump
Oh.
shot. This guy has a lot of experience and a lot of sabi. Pag si Solis ang double team, nakita mo pumapasok ka agad si Jerry for a nice percentage shot. He's not going to stay out there in the three-point territory. Lalapit dyan.
Sabi niya, pakinabangan naman ako riyan, ano?
Kaya na naman si Solis, habulin na naman, pero pasok na naman.
Back-to-back triples by Al Solis. At ibinaba na naman ang kalamangan, pero ito si Chris Jackson, kinalawa ang tira. Eric Reyes trying to save the ball, and it goes out of bounds.
Medyo si Jackson, offensive-minded. Kahit may depensa, usually hindi sumasaksak ng ganun doon. Pero yung hustle kept the ball alive. Tingnan mo itong pasa, no?
At saka yung dunk dito ni Silas Mills. Ito gustong-gusto ng mga fans niya. He gets high up into the air and slams it home. Sabi naman ni Williams, ito naman ang specialty ko. 3 points, nakakaapat na. Dito sa larong ito si Donald Williams. He has a total of 18 rather, in the game.
Mabigat, mabigat.
Oo.
Tinitira ni Ito, sumasagot si Mayers. 3 points.
Sabi ni Silas Mills, alam ko rin yan. Pangalawa yan ni Silas Mills in this game. He has 10 so far. For the Mobiline Cars, lamang ng 11 ang Formula Shell. 2.5 minutes remaining in the second quarter. John Best. Labang kay Solis. Sinabas si Jerry Esplana. Tinapik ni T. McLaren. Esplana gets it back. Donald Williams pumik. Tumikada na naman off the glass. Benji Paras is open. Yes! Takbuhan kumatikabot. Tumuusap dito mga kaibigan. T. McLaren trying to get it back and it goes out of bounds in favor of Mobiline. 2:13 to go here in the second quarter and a 13-point lead para sa Formula Shell. Meron tayong timeout. Second quarter action po sa ating Game 1 ng Best of 7 Championship Series between Formula Shell at Mobiline Phone Pal. Sa kasalukuyan, 13 puntos na abante ng Shell. Nasa Mobiline ang bola. Ang second chance points ng Shell. Yan yung much wanted big man lineup ng Formula Shell. Para sabi ni Alzones, wala akong pakialam sa big man ninyo. Dito ako sa labas ni Tikada, pangatlong 3-point shot ni Sones dito sa second quarter, Andy.
Well, they have to take a look at that anymore. Hindi na nila pwede pabayaan na lang tumira ng tumira si Solis na walang humahabol, walang tumidepensa.
Samantala, ito naman si Donald Williams. He is hot tonight.
That's right, and that's back to a 12-point lead. Williams already with over 20 points. Huh?
Exactly 20 points, Dr. J. Samantala, T. McLaren takes it to the hole, but Chris Jackson held his ground against him that time. Williams to Paras. Binigay kay Best sa ilalim against Silas Mills. Masyado malakas ang tira. Mills safely getting the rebound for Mobiline.
That was a golden opportunity lost.
Oh.
Ooh!
Ay.
Blocking foul.
Blocking foul. Silas Mills running into a 3-man defense by Formula Shell as you look at Ina Raimundo right there.
Mag-interview.
Kakausapin siguro yan maya-maya. Talagang medyo minamalas-malas tayo. No? Lahat yata napuntahan dito, nakausap tayo lang hindi.
Paano naman to?
Di ba? Okay lang naman. Makita lang natin siya, masaya na naman tayo.
We'll have our turn.
Hindi, hanggang tingin lang naman tayo. Masaya na tayo.
Ayan na naman si Sir.
Libre na naman.
Hindi, pero hinabol ni Bes yun.
No. A shade under a minute to go here in the second quarter.
Ooh, tas illegal defense. Bumagsak si Maclari at saka si hindi pinasahan ni Jerry. Pinate nga ni Jerry. Kunwari, pumasa siya, takbuhan lahat yung mga yung kay John Bes, pero naiwan sa kamay ni Jerry Esplado.
Ang technical na po yan sapagkat pangalawang beses na natawagan ng illegal defense itong Mobiline sa larong ito. At bibigyan po ng technical free throw si Donald Williams. Ito po ang talagang umuusok para sa Formula Shell sa gabing ito. No problem, sabi ni Donald Williams, pagkaman medyo binubulabog siya ng mga nandun sa harapan niya na mga fans ng Mobiline na may dala-dala ng mga logo. Na creativity rin, Dr. J. Ano mga shape ang ginawa nila sa mga logo eh.
Talaga.
Iba abstract, yung iba hindi ko maintindihan, yung iba parang ayoko makita sa TV dahil hindi maganda tignan.
Yan natin itong depensa ng phone pals dito.
John Best down low to Benji against Eric Reyes, goes the other way.
There's a foul there by Eric Reyes as he tried to hold yung spin pirouette move ni Benji Paras. Hinawakan niya.
At lumalabas na naman yung intensity nitong si Silas Mills. Sabi niya, intensity yan. Nag-aabogado siya para kay Eric Reyes. Si Eric hindi na nagreklamo. Si Silas Mills ngayon, pinupuntahan sa referee Benji Chua. Sinusundan pa niya. Try to plead Eric's case.
What he was pleading was hindi in the act of shooting yun.
Okay.
Sabi naman ni Chua, pinakita niya. Ito, ginagawa niya. He was flexing his elbows to take the shot. So, yun ang kanyang binigyan na continuation yung galaw ni Benji. 37.6 seconds left here. None of the teams are in the penalty. 3 team fouls para sa Mobiline. Isa lamang para sa Shell in this quarter.
Benji Paraz at the line.
Hindi pinapansin ni Benji yung mga bumubulabog sa kanya. Experienced player rin ito. He has won 2 championships with Shell. Noy Castillo sitting on the bench. Jerry Esplana doing a great job at the quarterbacking position. Yes. Point guard. Nakaka-score na, nakakatulong pa. Maganda pa pumasa. And Benji finishes off the second free throw.
And it's back to a 15-pointer here by Formula Shell. Kanina medyo rumatsyada na itong Mobiline pero iniwanan na naman sila ng Formula Shell. Silas Mills has it. There's a double team. Eric Reyes trying to get it inside. Ooh, Benji Paras with the block.
Hindi po pwede yan, sabi ni Benji. Pero yun, nakawala ang bola. Diamond! Ito pa rin, nagdadive pa rin. Napunta sa green shirts. Last touch on Boyan Francisco.
May nahuli kaya silang hito o dalagtong. Nandali pong dumaib to sa loose ball situation niya with 14 seconds remaining in the first half. Ito po ang championship game. This is the way it's supposed to be played.
Mobiline with 2 more fouls to give. Pero tingnan natin kung gagamitin nila. Of course, Shell hindi naman mag-aapura dito. Unless it's a layup or a dunk, hindi mag-aapura ito. No?
Alalahanin po natin, merong 15 puntos sa kalamangan ng Formula Shell. Ganun pa man ay talagang napaka-kulay po at napaka-exciting ng mood dito po sa loob ng Cuneta Astrodome. At papalit po tayo lahat at napapanood natin itong championship game na ito. Donald Williams has it against Jose Francisco.
That's one of the fouls that they could give up. Cutting down the time to 8.1. Nakikita nyo sa television screens nyo everywhere, all over the Philippines. Meron rin tayong ESPN for our friends in Asia.
Yes. Doon sa Bicol, Diyos Maray na Banggi sa Ilocos, mga tugang. Hindi po mga kaibigan dito, Ed Pixon at Andy Howe. Inihahatid po sa inyo ng live via satellite yung ating makalaro dito sa ating championship ng Governors Cup for 1998.
1.1 second left. So catch and shoot na ito. Pero nasa penalty na yan. Ayan, titira na talaga si Jerry yan.
Palobong tira. Humalik lang sa ring. But Formula Shell will be satisfied with a 15-point spread at the end of 24 minutes of play. Ba, ano ito?
May technical yata tinawag kay Silas Mills. So that free throw shot will be shot before the start of the third quarter. Ayun, binigyan ng technical foul.
Ayun, tinawagan pa ng technical foul ito si Silas Mills sa pagtatapos ng second quarter. So, merong technical free throw, Dr. J, bago
before the start of the third quarter.
Ayun.
Bibigay yung bibigay para sa Shell Itira.
Samantala mga kaibigan, abangan po ninyo ang ating Adidas Halftime Report at ang ating mga features sa halftime right after some reminders.